The PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week is Matt Reilly, and Matt is a motorhead if there ever was one. He was born into a racing family, and he's carried the torch on in all manner of motorsports since then. Matt got his SCCA license in 1986. He won his first of several championships that very same year. He eventually moved up to Formula Mazda, also made a splash on dirt and pavement ovals in sprint cars and stock cars. Now, Bob Bondurant hired Matt as a mechanic right out of high school. Matt then became the Bondurant School's youngest instructor up to that time. As a racing instructor, he coached more than 30 NASCAR drivers in road course racing. You want big names? Well, how about Jeff Gordon, Dale Earnhardt, Bill Elliott, just to name a few of his students. Matt coached Earnhardt to his first road course win, and that forged a friendship between the two for a long, long time. Now, we've talked about Doug Herbert's team driving school called Brakes. Matt Reilly made his mark there too as the lead instructor. Under Matt's guidance, the Brakes School taught over 100,000 teens and their parents how to be safe behind the wheel. These days, Matt teaches at the Ford Performance Racing School in Charlotte on the Roval, and he's also busy grooming up-and-coming racers on pavement and dirt. You can be like Matt Reilly. Just send us a note at motorheadgarage.tv. Tell us why you or someone you know should be our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. That is going to do it. The clock on the wall tells me it is time to go. We will do it once again next week, and we hope you join us then. So long.